Oh, hi. It's Sunday. Yes, I know you're thinking to yourself, the last time we checked in was on a Thursday, but now it's Sunday, and this is the first clip. First of all, welcome to the vlog. Second of all, what a weekend. What a weekend we had. So, this is like the best laid plans went completely wrong this weekend. Friday, Mark stayed home. He had a vacation day because we were going to do our taxes, which we did do. We did our taxes. It was pretty much what we expected it was going to be. But just as we're sitting down to do our taxes, Bowie is asking to go outside. And Bowie's not feeling well. It came on very suddenly. He had diarrhea, which is not like uncommon for dogs to have diarrhea, so I didn't think too much of it at first. But like every half an hour he was asking to go outside because he had to go to the bathroom. So that was a long evening because what happened was we didn't want to sleep in our bedroom and have him in here basically pooping all over the place because he still hadn't slowed down. He was still like asking to go out every hour or so. So we both slept in the living room because we love our baby dog. And it slowed down a little bit. I think the last time, we didn't sleep at all pretty much. The last time he had to go out, he had lasted for like 2 or 3 hours in between. So we were feeling like, okay, the diarrhea is slowing down. It's feeling better. Then he woke up and it was breakfast time and he didn't have a big appetite, but I did make some rice for him and I mixed it with some of his cooked food and he ate it and he kept it down for a while, but then he threw it up like an hour or 3 later. So I said, okay, that's not good. Now I need to go to yogurt, cooked chicken, some probiotics maybe. So we did that. He ate some of the cooked chicken, kept it down. He was fine, but then the diarrhea started coming back with a vengeance. And it was bad. He was miserable. I could tell he was miserable. So we spent another night in the living room. And I'm so tired right now because I didn't sleep well last night. This morning, it got even worse. It was just trickling out of him. Like his sphincter was sphinctered. He couldn't even handle it anymore. So we had to take him to the vet. So we got him in the afternoon. Like right now it's 6 o'clock. His appointment was around 2. And they ran so many tests on him because she said this was one of the worst cases of diarrhea that she's ever seen. And I have to agree, it was really bad. It was really bad. I didn't even know how we were going to get him to the vet because he was just basically leaking watery, bloody poop at this point now because everything was so irritated. I don't know what they do, but they are, I feel like, miracle workers because they give all these injections and like painkiller, antibiotics, antiemetics, something to help stop the diarrhea. He was looking very poor. Very poor. Maddie and Kristen had come over to watch Sean, and I don't know what I would do without my girls because they're pretty freaking amazing. But we took him to the vet. They shot him up. He came home. Mark and Kristen are doing some food shopping now for me because we didn't want to leave him alone. But he's resting quite comfortably over there right now. I don't even know if you can see him because I have my screen turned around. And it's probably backlit like crazy. Lammy's here keeping me company. Mark was nice enough to let me stay home and do some crocheting because I'm very far behind. I did not get a lot done this weekend. And I was hoping that I was going to get a lot done. But at least I got the taxes done. That's the important thing. But boy, what a roller coaster ride today. The vet, pretty amazing. However, also very expensive. But you know what? These fur babies are worth every penny. So I just wanted to let you know that it was not a fun weekend. There was a lot of sadness and stress because when the fur babies are sick, it's very upsetting because they're like actual children. They are helpless. They can't take care of themselves. You have to take care of them. So I'm just so grateful that he's feeling better right now. You have no idea. Just so grateful. And he was such a trooper at the vet. He was just so good. But I'm glad to say we're on the other side of that right now. Yeah, I guess I'll check in when they come back with the groceries. Of course, I got a new mop because my dog was leaking diarrhea everywhere. Yeah. So you can imagine what it was like. Or can you? I don't know if you can actually wrap your brain around how bad it was, but when the vet says it's one of the worst ones, you know it's pretty bad because I'm sure they've seen everything. But I'm working on, let's see. I'm working on this guy here, but he's not going to have this belly patch. He's going to just be all one color. So I'm going to zone out with some crochet. Here's mine. And like I said, I'll check back in when they get back with the groceries. Alright, Bowie seems to be doing better, although he did have a little accident. I think they gave him too much, or I think they gave him IV fluids. And he pooped them out. He wasn't prepared for that because he was sleeping, and all of a sudden he kind of woke up with a start. Sorry if it's TMI, but isn't my whole life TMI? So Mark just got back, and he got me a Swiffer wet jet with lots of cleaning supplies because I need them. It's been a lot. The whole house has got to get cleaned from top to bottom this week because it's a horror show right now. Alright, so that was from Target. He went to Aldi, where he got my favorite candies right now. These dark chocolate pomegranate, dark chocolate covered pomegranate little candies. Delicious, accidentally vegan. Our favorite lettuce, some beans. This is for Bowie so that he can take his medicine. He's got to take some, it looks like this. He didn't want the peanut butter for it. I tried to encase it in some cheese, but you can never go wrong with cream cheese for him. So we got that. Some tofu. And I think that's all that we got from Aldi today. We didn't need a lot of food because I have been stocking up. So I didn't really, just the essentials. Got some coffee that was on sale. This is the store brand. How much was the coffee? Was it like 20 or something? Alright. My favorite organic flour tortillas, some fresh broccoli, some sauerkraut. These were on sale for $4.99 each, so Mark got 2 of those. Some Light Life cold cuts, obviously vegan. Some oatmeal creamer, some Rayo's pasta. The Rayo's pasta was $1.99, right? Yeah. Some vegan yellow rice. And these babies, he got, let's see, 5 of these for 99 cents each. These are vegan and cruelty free and made in the USA. How do you like that for 99 cents? So, what?
I think the coffee was
19 after the coupon or before? After. Okay, that's still good. Alright. What is that, like 20 cents a cup or whatever? I don't know. I don't know. My brain hurts too much right now. I also was a very, very bad girl and had toast for breakfast that was not gluten-free or Italian flour, and I'm paying the price for it right now. My stomach is in a knot. I'm going to try and take some antihistamine and see if that will help a little bit, but my stomach is just like, we hate you, what have you done? So I'm going to start dinner and have a seat. Oh, hi! Just in time for Sean to be super loud.
He's doing his spot show.
Okay, well, it's Monday afternoon. What do you have to report on your brother?
My brother?
Your hairy brother.
Oh, Bubby. He is slowly getting better. This weekend was an emotional wrecking ball. It was very, very difficult because we never want to see anything bad happen to our baby. But the vet didn't seem concerned that it was anything serious, so that was good.
Yeah.
So he's been taking his meds. He's been eating a little bit here and there.
He's eating a little bit more now.
Yeah.
He wouldn't eat anything yesterday.
Yeah, hopefully he's going to have a nice dinner tonight.
Yeah.
And the poop is, I don't know how intense we want to get here with the descriptions.
Well, it's past.
It seems like he's through the diarrhea. So,
Okay. He's over the rainbow.
well, don't say that. That sounds...
Oh, no. Never mind.
No.
Not that. He's over the mountain. He's
Yeah.
over the mountain.
I think he's on the mend.
Yes. He's on the other side of the hill.
He needs to get his strength back. He needs to get some rest. Keep drinking water.
Yes.
But-
He needs to drink more water because that will help his digestion and his...
He's got to stay hydrated.
That will keep the poop highway.
My poor baby.
Yeah. He's doing as good as can be expected.
Yeah, he's a very good boy.
Yes. So, we have some birthday shout outs.
All right, who you with?
Well, first of all, on tax day,
Oh,
I know, is Paul B.
Paul B, a bright spot on tax day.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Are you related to John B. from Outer Banks?
Has anybody heard when Outer Banks is coming back?
I don't know, but I hope it's soon.
I know, it's the final season.
I know. That's wifey. All right, happy birthday, Paul.
Yes.
And the day after tax day, when everybody can take a big sigh of relief, we have none other than Lessons from a Brain Injury.
Lessons from a brain injury. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm sorry we don't know your real name.
Yes. If you want to let us know, let us know.
Yeah.
And how
We'd
old
love
you
to know
are.
your name.
If you want us to know how old you are.
Yeah, but we hope you have a wonderful birthday.
Yeah. And also, birthday twins
Oh,
with Lessons from Brain Injury is Kathleen Marie.
Kathleen Marie. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Kathleen Marie.
Absolutely.
I hope everybody that we mentioned is living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
For sure.
Wait, was that a Thursday? Never mind, Kathleen. You're going to get another shout out next week.
I think it'll be okay.
And Lessons from a Brain Injury, too. I'm just getting a little flustered here because the storm is kind of picking up and she's got to go home.
Yeah, I gotta go home in a sec before the heavens open up.
Yeah. All right.
Well, we'll be back tomorrow for a crochet video.
Oh my goodness, we hardly have anything to show.
It's been a crazy weekend.
Yeah, I gotta get cooking tonight. I mean, on crochet.
Yeah. Well, we'll have some fun things to share.
I'm sure we will. We always do, don't we?
We try.
At least we'll have some stories.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, thank you all so much for watching. We will see you next time. And until then,
Much love. Bye, everybody.